Well, hi. We have the Blackberry Passport here today. So, we're going to do the unboxing for this spectacular device. Um, well, a lot of people have moved to iPhones, Android, even Blackberry has gone to Android. But this is the OS 10 Blackberry Passport. It resembles your actual international passport. You know, the length and the width, everything. So let's go ahead and do this. I can't wait. So here's the box, and got a little tool here to open this up. It's fascinating how we enjoy doing these unboxings. It's fabulous. Okay, here we go. Nice and easy. Ah, wow. This is amazing. Oh my God. Okay, just look at this thing. This is beautiful. I mean, whatever handsets we use these days, like the iPhone X, the XS, the XR, the 8, the 7, but this stands out to this day. So let's just keep this aside and see the other things. We have a booklet which is in the form of a passport, has a BlackBerry logo in it, and has the information about the device in various languages, so we can go through this later. And it has a charger, the adapter to the charger. That's the micro SD cable. This has the headset, and this has got a bunch of paperwork, nothing we really require at this point of time. We'll straight move on to the device. So BlackBerry Passport is has a 3 GB RAM. Has an internal storage of 32 gigabytes. It runs on the BlackBerry OS 10. The latest update was 10.3.3, and it also connects to the Amazon store, so you can download a bunch of apps which you also have on the Android phones. So you can have a look at this, a closer look. As you see, it has a nice camera, this shining little logo here, and it's got a spectacular screen with this nice keyboard. I mean, I'm still fond of these BlackBerry awesome keyboards. I mean, there's no comparison to these. These are just fabulous. So what do you think about it? I still feel BlackBerry can make a comeback and come back with such great devices. I think there is a room for innovation. It's just that the company needs to figure that out. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, give a thumbs up. If not, then we're gonna do the BlackBerry Q10 in the next video. So good luck till then. Have a nice day.